Have you ever wondered if it's really possible to make money online using just your phone? Well, let me show you exactly how I made my first $100. No laptop, no office, no boss. Just a smartphone, internet, and free tools you can use today. Stick around because I'm going to break it down step by step. I started by learning simple skills that are in high demand, like typing, transcription, and using AI tools. I didn't go to school for it. I just used free apps like Google Docs and YouTube tutorials. Then I picked one service I could offer, writing blog posts using AI. I found an amazing trick using ChatGPT to generate content for clients. I'd simply ask it to write an article about a topic, like how to save money in Africa. Then I edited it a bit on my phone, made it sound more human, and boom! I had a full article in less than 30 minutes. I also used Canva on my phone to create images when needed. Next, I created a free account on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and joined WhatsApp freelancer groups. I posted short samples of what I could do and told people I can help with writing. Within a few days, I got a client who paid me $10 for my first job, then another, and another. In just 2 weeks, I had already made over $100, all from my phone. Don't wait to be perfect. Start with what you have. Use free tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, Canva, and Google Docs. Join online groups and post your services often. Don't fear small jobs, they grow fast. If you want more tips on making money online using free tools, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and share this video with someone who needs it. Remember, your phone can be your first business tool, only if you use it smart. This is Rise Digital Africa, empowering smart creators across the continent. See you in the next video.